Welcome dear students. Today we are going to solve the exercise work of Veer Hanuman. It is chapter 12 of class 5. Let's start from chapter question number 1. 1. Answer these questions. A. Where did Abhiraj go with his mother? Answer. Abhiraj went to the temple with his mother. B. How did Hanuman get kundals? Answer. Once a demon attacked Anjana when Hanuman was in the womb of his mother. When the weapon touched the body of Hanuman, it melted and transformed into a pair of kundals. In this way, Hanuman got kundals. C. Why did Hanuman grab the sun? Answer. Hanuman was very hungry. He grabbed the sun because he thought it to be a fruit. D. What did Hanuman do to get knowledge? Answer. Hanuman had to fly before the chariot of Suryadev to get knowledge. E. How did Hanuman escape from Sursa? Answer. Hanuman became very small. He entered the mouth of Sursa and came out from her ear to escape. F. What did Hanuman do with the necklace given by Sita? Answer. Hanuman started breaking and inspecting each pearl of the necklace given by Sita. He was searching Ram and Sita in the pearl. Now we should come to question number 2. Question number 2 is write true or false. There are some statements and you have to write true or false. Abhijit bought a picture of Hanuman. False, because Abhiraj bought a picture of Hanuman, not Abhijit. Kesari was the monkey king. True. C. Hanuman was very naughty in childhood. It is also true. Hanuman put the setting sun into his mouth. False. Hanuman put the rising sun into his mouth, not the setting sun. There is a mountain on the head of Hanuman. It is also false, because there is a mountain on the palm of Hanuman, not on the head of Hanuman. F. The whole body of Hanuman is black. False. The whole body of Hanuman is red. So it is false. G. There is an image of Ram and Sita in the chest of Hanuman. It is true. Now we should come to question number 3. Question number 3 says, choose the correct option. 4 options were given and choosing from the 4 options, right one has been written here. A. Who was very happy in the class? Answer. Abhiraj. B. What is the weapon of Hanuman? Answer. Gada. C. Hanuman is the incarnation of Lord Dash. Answer is Shiva. Hanuman is the incarnation of Lord Shiva. Who came to save the sun from Hanuman? Answer. Indra. Indra came to save the sun from Hanuman. E. Who was Guru of Hanuman? Answer. Suryadev. Suryadev was Guru of Hanuman. Which garden was destroyed by Hanuman? Answer. Ashok Vatika. Ashok Vatika was destroyed by Hanuman. G. Who met Hanuman while crossing the sea? Sursa. Answer is Sursa met Hanuman while crossing the sea. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is fill in the blanks with the words given below. Words are well-being, present, naughty, powerful, popularly, darkness, suddenly. A. Dash he saw the rising sun. Answer. Suddenly. Suddenly he saw the rising sun. There was dash everywhere. Answer, darkness. There was darkness everywhere. He is dash known as Hanuman. Answer, popularly. He is popularly known as Hanuman. D. He was very dash due to blessing of God. Answer, powerful. He was very powerful due to blessing of God. E. He was also dash like other children. Answer, naughty. He was also naughty like other children. F. Ram and Sita were dash in his heart. Answer, present. Ram and Sita were present in his heart. G. Sita used vermilion for the dash of Ram. Answer, well-being. Sita used vermilion for the well-being of Ram. Number 5. Make questions using the words given in the bracket. Some sentences are given and at the end of sentence there is a question word, and using that question word you have to frame questions. A. I read in class 5. Which? Answer is, which class do you read in? Actually in answer you have to frame questions. So answer is written in form of questions in red letters. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Word is where. Answer, where is the capital of Bihar? C. Vani is the most intelligent girl of this class. Who? Answer, who is the most intelligent girl of this class? D. His father is coming tomorrow. When? When is his father coming? You must put question mark at the end of the question. E. They will go to temple on Monday. Where? Answer is, where will they go on Monday? F. There are 40 students in your class. How many? Answer, how many students are there in your class? G. Aditi is going to library for books. Why? Why is Aditi going to library? H. Rita is Suresh's wife. Whose? Answer, whose wife is Rita? I. Ayush has broken the glass of the window. Who? Answer, who has broken the glass of the window? J. Students were learning English. What? What were students learning? Now question number 6. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. 2 words are given at the end of every sentence. You have to choose the suitable word and fill in the blanks. Give me dash water to drink. Words are any, some. Right answer is some. Give me some water to drink. I have not bought dash bread. Words are any, some. Right answer is any. I have not bought any bread. C. This road is the dash of all. Shortest, most short. Shortest is the right answer. This road is the shortest of all. D. I haven't received dash letter. Words are no, any. Any is right answer. I haven't received any letter. E. This story book is dash interesting. Words are very, too. Very is right answer. This story book is very interesting. F. I heard dash news yesterday. Words are this and these. I heard this news yesterday. This is the right answer because news is singular and so this is used here. G. Smoking is a bad dash. Words are habit, custom. Right answer is habit. Smoking is a bad habit. H. Let us have a dash of cricket. Play game. Right answer is game. Let us have a game of cricket. Everyone should dash his book. Everyone should bring dash book. He is theirs. In this sentence, underline has been given under bring, but his should be underlined here. So wrong word has been underlined. You should will keep in mind. You should underline his. Do not tell a lie. Do not dash a lie. Speak and tell. Tell is the right answer. Do not tell a lie. 7. Make words using the letters of determination. In determination, letters are D, E, T, E, R, M, I, N, A, T, I, O, N. So, the words which have been made from those letters are near, no, and, at, to, on, or, date, nation, me, met, 10. You can make some more words. There is no problem in it. This is the end of this chapter. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.